talk a bit about the tip pods that come with the Eurofighter wing. So this is what you get, and you have these connectors here for the LED, of course, but you get this tiny sliver, and the idea is that you're supposed to glue these guys onto here like that. The problem that I have with this system is that, first of all, it's not removable. This means transport's gonna be painful because, like, if you glue these on here, you know, like you can see, let's see if I can fit this on. It's not a tight fit, so there's gonna be a lot of play unless you glue it right. But if you do glue it, this whole surface is gonna be full of glue, and then if you knock this thing off, like during transport, you're gonna damage the wing. So I decided that I wanted to do something a little bit different from that, and I will show you what I did. Alright, so I already started drilling here, and I'm just gonna finish. This is basically the attachment, and we're gonna drill right through that sucker so that we can make our pods detachable using some sort of system. So I'll drill through that, and then we'll show you what that looks like. We have the makings of our slot, and you can see that rib there, that's that guy right in there that's sticking out. So we're just gonna make our mount that's gonna slot right into here. Okay, so here's the wood slot that the tip tanks or the tip pods are going to attach to, and you can see it's a pretty tight fit. So again, this angle here is because of that rib that you can see in there, which is a rib that sort of goes like that. So what I want is a really tight fit. So this is going to sit in here, and it's just going to slide in just like that. Alright, so at the bandsaw, we're going to cut a much more refined piece. So this is a template we test fit, and so I just transferred that. There's a little bit of looseness on the side, so you can see that I've added just a little bit more material there. So we're gonna cut this on the saw. So now we have the general shape we're looking for. We're going to sand it to perfection. Alright, so that looks decent. Let's go check how it fits. So this is just glued onto here, sanded this down until it fit. And then the next part is, how do you secure it? Well, because this is a pretty tight fit, all of these wiring will go in here, just like that, and then in the slot, which is very tight, just like that. So I basically drilled these two holes right here and countersunk them. And since there's a rib in the wing that goes right around here, and the wing is fairly thick, I figured that I wanted to drill these holes as close as possible to the edge. That way it's closer to the former, but if it breaks, it'll probably just rip off only the tip end of the wing. And with those holes are drilled right through, and they actually go into this piece of wood to secure the wing pod in place. So it just goes like that, and these go right in just like that. And since they're countersunk, it's a very clean finish, I think. Just like that. And so now it looks really professional, I think. It looks clean. Tip pods can come off when I need them to for transport. They attach. You push them in as far as they go and put these screws down, and it's solid enough that it's not gonna go anywhere. What's left on this wing now is attaching the gear, but I think I might do that later. I'm gonna go work on the other wing for right now. and repeat this entire process.